Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO V60 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to record screen. To record screen on your smartphone, swipe down notification bar. Find screen recorder. And tap on it. Agree. And now adjust record screen settings. For example, you can enable display touch trajectory, record system audio, record microphone audio, picture quality, recording in progress, do not disturb. To start recording, press button at the bottom of the list. To stop recording, press this button again. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.